Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix for precise seeking in YouTube. Alright, first thing that you need to try here is first up, close the YouTube app. Alright, and then go to your settings app. Once done, go to apps. In here, locate YouTube. Click on YouTube or tap on it. Then go to storage. As you can see here, there's an option clear cache and clear storage. Go ahead and tap on clear cache first. Wait for the process to finish, and after that, clear storage. If you are using iOS, just go ahead and tap on offload app. Alright, once done, wait for the process to finish and relaunch YouTube and check if it helps. Now, if that won't work, open YouTube. Go to your profile, tap on it. Go to settings. Alright, scroll down a bit until you see the accessibility tab. Tap on it. As you can see here, there's an option accessibility player. Just tap on it to turn on the slider and go to hide player controls. Put it to after 3 seconds. Once done, go back and try to play a video and you'll be good to go. That's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.